Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace VCM motor on Kia Soul. If you have a Kia Soul with a 1.8 or 2.0 engine, this is the NEWER engine. Okay, we'll show you how to remove and replace the VCM motor. It's the one right here. All you have to do, pull your engine cover and you can see it. Okay, this is the one. You can have quite a few codes for those. You can find them on our channel. We have specific videos. So in today's video guys, we'll go ahead and show you how to replace it. We'll demonstrate on the 1.8, but the 2.0 engine uses the same intake, so the procedure will be the same. In order to get to it guys, you can see that hose is in the way. That's a breather hose for the PCV valve, so we'll go ahead and disconnect it now. Okay, we can go ahead and use the pliers. Now we need to remove the wiring harness. There is two things you need to press in towards each other and you'll pull it out. Okay, check it out. This is what I'm talking about. You can use a screwdriver, that way you will not mess up that retainer, clamp, whatever you call it. So once the wiring harness is not attached anymore, we'll have only 3 bolts to remove it. Make sure you guys stay until the end of the video. We'll share what else you need to do once you install the new one. So we'll be using a 10mm socket. Now press down and pull the wiring harness out. Don't grab for the wire, just for the clamp. And this is the VCM motor. Okay, as you can see that canal right here on the VCM motor. Okay, that's where it goes, in this one here. So when you install the new one, you make sure that you align them, otherwise you will break the new one. So now we will get the new one and install it. Everything will be in reverse order that we took it apart. So we will keep installing the bolts. Again, make sure that it's that swat is all the way in the canal there, otherwise it will break the new motor and those are expensive. The third bolt is a little bit inconvenient to install. Okay, and we'll get them tight. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead actually and install the hose first, okay, to get that breather hose, and install the clamp as well. We can go ahead and connect the wiring harness too until it clicks. Okay, like that. So once you replace the VCM motor, you have to go ahead guys, plug in an OBD reader. This is the one that we use. It's pretty inexpensive and works really good. Connect it to the car, turn the ignition on without starting the car, erase the codes that trigger the engine light, and after that you'll be ready to go. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.